So just after introducing the vector geometry, now we are going to proceed with question A. So responding to vector PQ, we are going to move from P to Q. Therefore, we are going to observe the direction. So this time around, we'll be going against the direction. Like I said in my preamble, this will be affected by a negative. So vector PQ, definitely I'll consider picking negative vector A. Now, just like this, we responded to the question. Then we can go to vector PR. Vector PR. So we are moving from P going to point P going to point R. So this time around, we are going to make a route that will give us a possible answer, which will be P Q Q R. So we are going to say vector PR is equal to, we are going to say PR is equal to PQ plus QR. PQ plus QR. So moving from point P to point R, we are going to use this route, which is formed in form of a triangle PQQR. Therefore, from P to Q, remember we are going against the direction. We will consider having a negative vector A. So plus QR, we are obeying the direction, and the given vector is vector B. So definitely here we are going just to pick vector B. Now, remember that there can be some issues leaving your vector starting with a negative vector. So it is advisable that you can just reshuffle the vectors and consider starting with a positive vector so that you can include a negative vector just like this. This is vector PR. So we've expressed in terms of B or vector A. So now let's consider talking about QM. So QM, remember in my preamble I explained to say M is the midpoint of line PR. So if M is the midpoint of line PR, therefore what is the vector value of QM? What is the vector value of QM? So moving from Q to M. So here